We're trying to calculate days until the next St. Patrick's Day, and we're going to come into a complication here. I'm going to show you how to fix it and how to do this automatic. So we're not going to have to put in text. We just need a formula equals date diff, and the start date is going to be today, and the end date is going to be date formula. We're going to choose a year, 2025. The month is the third month, and it's the 17th day of the third month. March 17th every year. And our unit is going to be D in quotes. This year, though, we want it to continually update, basically. And if this is past the date, meaning it's April or any date after, this is going to give us an error. So we want to wrap this with if error, and we want to change this year to year today, whatever today's year is. However, again, this is going to give us an error if the end date is before the original date. So if there's an error, we're going to copy and paste this formula. And instead of today's year, we're going to take today's year and add +1. So now you can see that today's is going to have an error, and this if error is going to save us, and it's going to say, hey, no, just do next year. So after March 17th, it's going to always revert to this one that's next year. So right now there's 95 days left until the next St. Patrick's Day. And this will be automatic every single year, every single day of the year, even as the dates change over from March 17th to 18th. And if you're looking to get more out of your Google Sheets than you ever have before, consider subscribing here on YouTube to Better Sheets, but also become a member of Better Sheets. Get dozen courses, integrate AI, learn how to automate things with AppScript, literally get Sheets to work while you sleep.